Hey, Raider here. Hope you're all doing great and having a fantastic day. So you got yourself a Galaxy Z Flip 4 or maybe the Z Fold 4 or one of the last gen foldable devices. Wouldn't it be great if you could count the number of folds you're actually making on your device? Maybe check on it daily, have a lifetime total, because keep in mind, Samsung does rate these devices at 200,000 folds. Wouldn't it be nice to know if you're getting close to that number? Let me show you how to do it. All right, it's pretty simple, guys. What you want to do is open up the Play Store, and we are going to search for an app called Z Flip Counter. All right, there it is. All right, let's go ahead and install that. Now, I did do some research on this app prior to making this video. It requires no permissions. It's already been detected. There's no malware. It's a completely safe app, and it just runs in the background. It's very simple. We're going to go ahead and install this real quick. All right, and once we open it up, it's going to give you a quick little instruction screen here right out of the gate, and it shows you how to use this. So basically what it's telling us is that we are going to set up a quick Bixby routine and take advantage of the folding status of our devices here, which is only available on the Galaxy Flip and Fold type devices. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. So we'll go ahead and minimize this. We'll swipe down on our notification panel, click the settings cogwheel. You're going to scroll down until you get to advanced features. All right, click on that. And over here on the right, you're going to see an option called Bixby Routines. By default, that's turned off. Let's go ahead and turn Bixby Routines on. All right. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on the text that says Bixby Routines. That's going to open up a little menu for it. So what we want to do now is add a new routine. And by the way, guys, if you've never seen Bixby Routines before, I'm actually working on a full, complete guide for Bixby Routines. Should have that out by the end of this weekend. I usually don't talk about what I'm working on, but I'm actually super excited for this video. Bixby Routines are extremely powerful. Do not confuse this with the Bixby voice assistant. Two completely different animals. They have nothing to do with each other. This stuff here is awesome. This gives us some if-then logic. So what we're going to do is we are going to say if. So we'll go ahead and click on that. And we're going to scroll on down until we see folding status. Because what we care about is counting the number of times we're opening and closing the device. So we're counting the folds. So we're going to click on folding status. We're going to click on completely close because we want to track every time that we close our device. All right, go ahead and click done. All right, so we have our if condition set, right? If we fold our device closed, then we're going to do this. So we click on the then. All right, so what we're wanting to do is open up an application. We want it to open up the Z Flip Counter app in the background. So we're going to click on apps. All right, open an app or do an app action. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. Okay, this is going to pull up a long list of apps. Now being Z Flip Counter, that means we're going to have to scroll all the way down to the bottom, right? So let's do that real quick. Got a long list. Here we go. Open Z Flip Counter, and then just like it said in the instructions, if we go back to it real quick, it says to pick choose this one, right? That's the last thing it says right there. So let's go back to our settings, right? And there it is. Choose this one. We're going to click on that. We're going to click done. Let's go ahead and click next. And let's give this a name. So let's do folding count. A little difficult on camera. Hopefully my head's out of view. Folding count. All right. Click done. All right. Folding count saved. We are now done. Let me show you how this works, guys. So what we're going to do is minimize our device. We'll close out of all applications. You don't need to have this app running or anything. So let me show you what it looks like real quick. So let's open up this new app, right? Z Flip. There it is. Z Flip Counter. All right. Shows you how to use it. Shows 0 total lifetime folds. And it shows how many you've done for today, right? So let's just go ahead and close out of this. You can leave it open if you want to. It doesn't even matter. This Bixby routine happens completely in the background. Let's close our device. Open it. Let's close it. Open it. Let's do this a few more times. All right. So let's go ahead and go back into our device. Let's open up the Z Flip Counter. There it is. 3. All right, cool. Minimize it again. There's another fold. There's another fold. Let's go back into this application. Bam, we did 2 more folds. Now we have 5. So here's a cool thing about this, is that over time, you'll be able to track the total number of folds that you have on your Z Flip or your Z Fold. any of the devices, right? Z Fold 2, Z Fold 3, Z Fold 4, doesn't matter. Also going back with the flips, this works with all of them. And you'll have a daily counter as well. So this is just an awesome way for you to keep track of the total number of folds. Plus it's kind of cool for curiosity's sake, right? You know, someone asks you, how many times do you think you unfold that device per day? Well, I don't know, let me check. You can pull it up. So there you go, a quick and easy way to keep track of the number of times you're flipping and you're folding your device. And as far as Bixby routines go, again, like I said, we got a full complete guide coming out on the channel. I'm really excited about that video. I'll be working on that this weekend. As always, thanks for watching.